In previous session of basic coiling shape, we have seen how to make loose coil, semi-tight coil, tight coil, ring coil, or teardrops, curved teardrops, Marquise or eye, or curved Marquise or curved eye. Now, in this session, we will see how to create half circle, moon, triangle, arrowhead, square, tulip, heart, star, etc. So let us see how to make half circle. Similarly, take a quilling strips, put into the slot of quilling needle and roll it. After rolling it, you have to put a little press by the help of your thumb or index. Now let it open it up. After opening up, put a little glue and seal the coil. Now it is generally a circle. Now one side by thumb we have to make a straight line in such a way as shown in the video. So now the half circle is ready. Now take another strips and put into the slot of quilling needle. Similarly, roll it up. See, after rolling is over, you need to put some pressure as I have told you earlier also, to make it a semi-tight coil, to make more beautiful unit. So similarly, put a glue to seal the coil. Now as we have made the half circle by the press of thumbs on one side, now press it more towards other semicircle side, so it will get a shape of half moon. So the moon shape is over. Now take another strips and do the rolling. After rolling part is over, similarly let it open up and seal it by putting a little glue. Now press one side of the coil to make like teardrop, and now one side is sharp and another side is semicircle. The semicircle side, push it by index as shown to make a straight line. Now the triangle is ready. So now we'll make arrowhead. Take another strips and roll it up by quilling needle. After rolling is over, let it open up. Let it open up and seal the coil so it should not get scattered unnecessarily. Press one side like teardrop. Press another semicircle side by either index or thumb. First it will get shape of triangle, then press it more towards the sharp side, towards the sharp corner. Now the arrowhead is ready. Now take another strips, put into the slot of quilling needle, roll it up, exert a little bit of pressure twice or thrice on the coil by using of your thumb and index to make a tight coil. Once tight coil is ready, put a little glue and seal it. Now we have to make a square. It is as similar as making of a triangle. So start from one side to make a straight line, make another side. Now put pressure on the left other sides to make a square as shown. Now we'll make tulip. It is also something similar like to making a half moon. Only things the half moon is something like C and it is something like U. So you have to take care of the basic shape. Otherwise the technique is almost similar, not the exactly same. Press one side towards the center to make a inner curve and other side will be remain same. Now it's a tulip shape. Take another strips and roll it up. After rolling it, now let it open up. It's become a semi-tight coil. Now put a little glue to seal the coil. Now press one side to make a sharp like teardrop and another side now it is round to make a sharp fold in the middle portion of another side's semicircle. For this job you can take help of any needle-like sharp objects or tweezer to make a sharp fold on the paper. Now the heart shape is ready. Now we will make star. See, it is not all that we have make 15 or 20 whatever shape, then everything is over. It is not like that. It is an exercise. After doing some practice, we will be able to make any shape or any size what is required for our wheeling figure. So it is a practice basically. However, once loose coil is ready, it required loose coil, not semi-tight coil, because you have to make 5 angle to make a star. So basically you try to make at least 3 angle first and make another 2 angle in between the larger 2 arms of the triangle as shown in the video, and do the needful adjustment. It is really required, it's not always required. So as like heart shape, for heart shape even you can paste 2 teardrops side by side, it will make a heart shape. So similarly, when you will start working, you will find a lot of way and lot of technique by your own to make a new discovery in the wonderful world of wheeling.